All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, onto this Yoruba priest Amotekun, Odua People's Congress, others hold emergency meeting over rising kidnappings, banditry. All right, my people. Well, this is what we have been waiting for. This is the thing we have been waiting for. Insecurity had ravaged the land, and this set of people, to me, I think they are just coming rather too late. All right. Well, the truth of the matter is, we are all waiting to see what is going to happen. Well, the fact now has been that the purpose of the meeting is to discuss and then find remedies to incessant kidnappings, invasions, and then violent threats by armed bandits operating in Yoruba land. All right, and then according to what has been gathered, it has been said that the office of the Yoruba chief priest, the Obaleshun Obatala Agbaye, has informed all heads of priest chiefs, monarchs, and the local security operatives of an emergency meeting to hold in Ile-Ife, Osun State. Well, in a letter signed by Are Oladotun Hassan on Monday, the Western Nigerian Security Network, popularly known as Amotekun Corps, and the Odua People's Congress (OPC) were also called to the meeting. A copy of the letter, which was obtained by Sahara reporters on Tuesday, disclosed that only heads of the organizations copied are to attend. The purpose of the meeting is to discuss and then find remedies to incessant kidnappings, invasions, and then violent threats by armed bandits operating in Yoruba land. Well, letter partly reads, all right, by the supreme authority of His Divine Grace, Oba Ishoro Dada Obaleshun Obatala Agbaye Arole Obatala Oloja Iraja Idita Town Ile-Ife. The source: we are pleased to invite you to an emergency meeting over the roaring spate of insecurity in Yoruba land. These incessant kidnappings and then invasions and then violent threats by bandits and then terrorists and criminals, precipitating the urgent need to nip in the bud these unwarranted attacks against innocent citizens in Yoruba land and then by extension the Federal Republic of Nigeria. All right, according to the statement, it says, and I quote, please kindly note, only heads of organization are allowed to attend strictly in accordance with the agenda of the meeting, accept the assurance of His Divine Grace always. All right, Nigerians have been having a nightmare as bandits, terrorists, and then gunmen daily wreak havocs across the length and breadth of the country. In the southwest, Fulani Hērdsmēn unleashed atrocities such as killing of farmers, raping of women, destroying farmlands, and then kidnapping residents to demand for ransom. Well, this led to the emergence of a Yoruba Nation agitator, Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho, who issued vacation order to Fulani herders in southwest and then also began a self-determination movement for Yoruba people. Also, the Southern Governors Forum signed a law that bans open grazing of animals in their states to address spate of insecurity, a development which has been widely criticized by their northern counterparts. Just last week, the Amotekun Corps operatives intercepted 18 bandits in Ondo State and they recovered dangerous weapons, including guns, daggers from them. All right, my people, and this is what it is right now. I think, well, it's all good that we are having this set of people coming together, and I would say they have now woken up. Yes, they've woken up. I think the truth of the matter right now is that there's never been a tight security, and that's why there've been loopholes. Yeah, so to say, there'll be loopholes. That's why you can see all this set of people ravaged the whole country. Everywhere they were, everywhere. Even another thing that had been baffling me has been that even when this set of people are being arrested, I don't know what they always do. Like, I don't know why, so to say, they always release them to the police. I think the needful is supposed to be done. Take judgment. Amotekun, you are a security network. Why sending them or releasing them to the police when you know that at the end of the day, this set of police people will still release them? That's exactly the problem we have. As soon as you arrest these people, you should have your own cell where you take them to. I think that needs to be arranged. Yes, you have your own punishment for this set of people. You don't just need to release them to the police. Yes, they were not caught by the police. You should have your own domain, your own custody where you put these criminals, because they are the one causing problems in the land. And our prayer is that the good Lord will continue to help us all, because the situation on ground, my brother, my sister, is nothing to write home about. All right, and then meanwhile, there's been a lot of reactions though on to this one. All right, with what has been gathered, it has been said by Lemi Balogun. Says, well, we shall overcome surely. It will become history that Fulani bandits terrorize us in Yoruba land, and we destroy them all, including Buhari and Buharists, in the year 2021. Ojujua Nation for life. I share Edumare. That's another serious one. Well, and this is something that we are actually praying for anyway. And then our prayer is that the good Lord will see us through all this, because right now these people believe that the world is under their feet. They believe they can do and undo. Wow, it's only God that will help us. A lot of innocent souls have lost their life in the process. Well, and then I think right now the security aspect needs to be tighter, and this set of people have to be very serious. Well, and I also pray that any betrayer in their midst, God will expose. That's another thing we need to pray about. All right, so it's also said a very good move for the interest of the entire citizens of the Yoruba land. That's good. All right, so now we are talking. We need to build our security adequately. All right, so and exactly what it is. Well, Yoruba we move cow Fulani will be disgraced in no time. All right, so and we say amen. Well, my people, a lot have been said onto this one. I say, well, a big congratulations to every southwestern person, well, in Nigeria right now, because this move, I pray it will go a long way to tackle insecurity in the land. All right, my people, and then that has been it on this one. Meanwhile, let me have your take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. Thanks and God bless.